if you're experiencing crashing issues while playing Roblox, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Follow these steps to improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your device meets the minimum system requirements for Roblox. Check the official Roblox website for the latest specifications and make sure your hardware is compatible. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can cause performance issues. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer like Nvidia or AMD and download the latest drivers for your device. Install them and restart your computer. Step 3. Clear Roblox cache. Clearing the cache can help resolve issues with corrupted files. Go to the Roblox folder on your computer, usually found in the app data directory, and delete the cache files. Restart Roblox to see if the issue persists. Step 4. Disable background applications. Running too many applications in the background can strain your system resources. Close unnecessary programs and processes before launching Roblox to free up memory and processing power. Step 5. Reinstall Roblox. If the crashing continues, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Roblox. This can fix any corrupted installation files. After uninstalling, download the latest version from the official Roblox website and install it. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate crashing issues while playing Roblox. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Roblox support for further assistance.